How to use Metricool for beginners. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be talking about Metricool and how to actually get started using it for those who are just starting out using Metricool. Basically, Metricool is this platform, an amazing platform that is going to help you manage your social media accounts. Now, this is going to help you by a mile. If you're just for example, a small company that is just starting out and you just want to manage your social media, this is just going to make your life a lot easier because it's just going to help you a lot with your analytics, posting stuff on multiple different platforms at the same time. Instead of going from one to one, you can just find it all within one single platform. It's going to help you pretty much just like a lot. So what's great about this platform is it does offer a free plan. And actually, speaking of plans, let me just show you the pricing real quick, just because if you're just getting started, you should also know about the pricing plans. So it does offer a free plan, and you can see that with the free plan, you'll be able to manage all your brands and social media accounts, excluding a few, as you can see here. The LinkedIn and Twitter analytics are not going to be available with the free plan, but you'll be able to plan up to 50 pieces of content per month, and you get many more stuff in here as well. I'm not going to really dig deep into the plans and stuff. You can just get to this page right here, metricool.com, go to pricing, and you can just compare all the pricings yourself. But you can just start out for free, see if you like it or not, and then if you really need to, you can just go ahead and upgrade. So let's actually get started. So to get started, you just go ahead and click on sign up here at the top right after you go to metricool.com. You just click on sign up here and you just simply make an account. It's not too difficult. You already know how to do it. I'll just skip ahead and create my account real quick. Okay, so once you sign up, it's very simple. Email, password, and then you just verify your email, and that's pretty much it. You should be taken to this page right here. So in this page, it's basically your dashboard here, and you will have your brand settings, you will have your connections, and you will have your team access if you want to use it with your team. Here you have your analytics, inbox, planning, smart links, and ads. So it's going to be very easy and simple to use. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is just go to connections here, the first tab that you will even see, and you will need to connect all the social media accounts that you want to connect, basically. So you can connect your website, your Facebook. Just make sure that it is an actual business account. It's not going to work with your personal account. Same goes for Instagram, professional account, as you can see, LinkedIn, Twitter, Threads, Pinterest, TikTok, Google business profile, and pretty much just all of those that you can see in here. So I would just go ahead and connect. Let me just connect my X or Twitter account, authorize app. If you are not logged in already, it's going to obviously ask you to log in, and then you can just go ahead and click on authorize app. And this is basically going to allow them to set things up, create posts, and everything, obviously, when you manage your social media in here. So here you can see that I have already connected my Twitter account. Now I can connect other things as well, like my, let me connect Pinterest. Just to show you guys, like I'm just going to connect a few things here to show you how it's going to look like. I may also be able to connect my Google account. Just use this one. Continue. And you can just go ahead and accept those. Okay, so I don't really have anything here, so it's not going to really work with this. But if you do have a business profile and stuff, you can actually make it work. Anyways, regardless, after you're pretty much done connecting all of that you have here, now you can actually go ahead and set things up for your social media management. So let's first go to brand settings, and here we can go ahead and actually set up our brand name. Should be a name that is unified between all of them. This is just going to go, just highlight your brand name. So we can just go ahead and do this for the sake of this tutorial. And here you can select a picture from one of the accounts that you have already connected. So I have these two. I'm just going to use this one. And we can just go ahead and click on save. And now that we have our connection done and brand settings done, now we can actually go ahead and do a lot of stuff. So for analytics, let's start with analytics. In here, you'll be able to actually see each individual analytic. Like I said first, however, for Twitter and LinkedIn, you will not be able to see the analytics for your free account, as you can see over here. So it's not going to really show anything for you. But regardless, you can just go ahead and view all the analytics for all the connected accounts. For example, if it's Facebook, it's going to show you everything that you will need. Same goes for Instagram. And also if you have Twitters and stuff, if you upgraded, I mean, you'll be able to see for Twitter the amount of followers and posts and all of those things. Balance of followers, you know, if you have lost or acquired new followers, is going to show you across, you know, a specific amount of time. Mentions and so many things. As you can see, the summary of the entire thing. And same goes for Pinterest. You'll be able to see impressions and pins. You can see engagement, interactions, and many more. So it's going to work exactly the same for the rest of these elements. If you have a YouTube channel, you can go ahead and see how it's going, like how it is doing with viewers and stuff and subscribers. Same goes for Twitch and the rest. So this is basically the analytics tab. For inbox, you can actually manage the conversations that you have with your accounts that you have linked. So for example, the only one that really has conversations that I have linked is X. So you can see all the conversations that you have from within the inbox. I don't really have anything, the Twitter account that I have just created, I just created for the sake of this tutorial. So you can see the unread, unresolved, and all the inbox. You can just actually manage it and start your conversation in here, which is very great. So this way you can actually manage your inbox very easily in just one app or platform, which is Metricool. Next is going to be planning, and this is going to be the most important one. Here you can actually go ahead and start creating posts for pretty much all the elements or connections, I mean networks, that you actually have. To do so, we can actually go ahead and exit out of here. Let's just click on cancel. What we can do is just click on create post. And now we can actually go ahead and create post for X, and we can also create post for Pinterest. And if you have more networks that you want to add, you can also add them in here by just clicking on the plus icon, but you obviously would need to have them there. Now, if you want, you can edit by network. This way you can actually set the specific template. So write anything in here. Now this is going to be for both, but if you want to edit it for a specific one, you can just click on it and you can just click on edit content. And before we even do that, it's going to show you the things that you actually need to have. Published date can't be a past date, so we'll need to set up the date for the X. And if there's anything required for Pinterest, is going to be that we need to at least add one image and also edit the board stuff. So let's actually do those. So first, let's start with X. We go click on X and we just click on edit content. This is actually Pinterest. Let's go back to X. And we can just highlight this like so. Edit content, and we can just go ahead and edit a specific thing for X. And once we are done, we can just go ahead and edit the same thing for Pinterest. So for example, we want to add an image for Pinterest. We just make sure we select Pinterest, edit content, and we can just go ahead and select media from here, add image, and then we can just go ahead and add from our computer. Let's say this one right here. And then we can actually see that it is added for our Pinterest, not for our X. And next up, we can actually set up the board stuff and global presets by just clicking on the down arrow here, and you can set up the title, purple, board. You can set up the board. We don't really have anything here, so I'm not going to actually do it. And then you can also add the link and so much more. Now this is going to be network specific. So if it's Facebook, it may add more presets, and same goes for the rest of the networks here. So now that we have them, we don't really, I'm not going to post for Pinterest, so I'm just going to skip this one. Let's say I just want to post for X. Now the only requirement for X is that the published date can't be a past date, obviously. So I'm just going to set up the date at the bottom here. You can set it up to be something like this, and we can also set up the time as well. Once you're happy with it and you're fine with all the elements and templates that you have, you can just simply click on schedule and it should be done. Now you have created your post for your multi-networks in one space and place, which is very, very nice. This is just going to help you a lot by managing your social media without having to go through each and every single one of them individually. Now for smart links, you can just create your smart links in here. You can just follow the steps, and same goes for your ads. You just need to connect your ads account, whether it's going to be a Google ads, Facebook ads, or TikTok ads, and it's going to show you all of these options here. With that being said, it's going to be very easy to use. As you can see, it is very helpful for those who are just want to manage all these social media at once. It's going to be very, very helpful. Good thing is that it does have a free plan. If you need to, you can just upgrade later on. And this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it, and now you know how to use Metricool, and thanks for watching.